Hello everyone, welcome to part 168 of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website. So from this video, we will start integrating the PayPal payment gateway in our Laravel 10 e-commerce website. Okay, so we are going to integrate the PayPal for debit credit card payments and also for the PayPal wallet as well. And in some countries, it also supports the internet banking as well. Okay, so wallets are also included. So let's start working on this PayPal payment gateway, and we are going to install one Omni Pay package later on in this video. But first of all, we are going to do all required settings that are required. Okay, so this is our e-commerce website, and I'm going to log in first to our e-commerce website. Here is the username and password that I'm going to fill, and already product is there. I'm going to click on checkout. Okay, so here you can see PayPal is already there. Okay, so I will check once that its ID as well as the value is correct. I'm going to open the checkout blade file, and we'll see for the PayPal that we have already added earlier. Here you can see its ID is fine, see its value is also fine. PayPal. Okay, so PayPal is for paying with the credit debit card options, and also PayPal wallet. Okay, PayPal, we can say PayPal wallet or PayPal wallet or PayPal credit. Okay, whatever. So we are going to create one controller, PayPal controller. We are going to create inside front. So first of all, we are going to create that PayPal controller for our project, and I'm going to open my project here, XAMPP, htdocs, and here is my project 10 folder. I'm going to right click services, new terminate folder, and here I'm going to create one controller, PHP artisan make controller. Make controller, and front, I'm going to create this controller inside front PayPal controller. Okay, see, you can able to see the PayPal controller. See, this PayPal controller, we are going to add all the required functions, like the PayPal function we are going to add, PayPal pay function we are going to add, success and failure function we are going to add. So many functions we are going to add. Basically, we are going to work on this PayPal controller for integrating the PayPal payment gateway. And you can also get this PayPal controller. I'm going to see, you can just simply require to open the sidemakers.in website, and you can click on download, and see here at the bottom you can able to see download PayPal controller to integrate PayPal payment gateway for Laravel website. So you can simply download from here, log into download. You can download from here, and I already see there are some of the free steps that you can take, like you can able to download the template, HTML template. Okay, and you can able to download this PayPal controller as well by taking the few free simple steps that will just take 5 minutes of your time. So those free steps are, these are the steps that you are required to take to get the PayPal controller free, so that you can able to integrate PayPal in just few minutes if you will get this PayPal controller. Okay, so for your Laravel 10 as well as for the multi-vendor e-commerce series that support Laravel 9 as well as Laravel 10. Okay, so just give 5-star rating at this Google. Okay, Google review here, this is the Google, and this one you are required to give the 5-star rating in Android or iPhone, whatever you have, and just like the Facebook page and join the Facebook group, and like and comment on the Laravel 10 video. This is the Laravel 10 video that you just go there and like and comment on that. Okay, so all these steps, please send email at stackdevelopers2@gmail.com, and with the screenshots or links, and I will send you this free PayPal controller. Okay, so that you will your task will get easier. So I hope that you will follow these free steps. So in fact, in this video, this file we will download in the next video, because in that we have the work for to do in the PayPal controller. But right now we have the other work to do. We will update the product controller. In fact, right now product controller. I'm going to open the product controller at the front, and we'll open the checkout function. And here we'll go down and we'll see that what we're doing. See, for COD, payment method is COD and order status is new, and for prepaid, payment method is prepaid and order status is pending. That is fine. And let's go down. See here the condition. In case of COD, when payment gateway is COD, we are straight away sending the order email. Okay, and also we are sending we are sending the order email. And in case of COD, but here we will not send the order email directly. We will send the order email only after the payment is successful, otherwise we will not send. So we will add the another condition here. Okay, and that is, I'm going to pick this one and we'll add here. And here I will add it like this. And here I'm going to add if the payment gateway is PayPal like this. Okay, we are sending the value as PayPal in the checkout form. And here we will write some command here as well. PayPal redirect user to PayPal page after saving order. Okay, so after inserting order details, we are going to redirect the user to the PayPal page. Okay, here we will simply add return redirect we are going to redirect the user to the PayPal page like this, nothing else. Okay, so after this we are going to create one route here for this page. We are going to create inside the auth, because no one can access this otherwise. Here we are going to add here PayPal route get. Here we are going to add here PayPal controller. We are going to give that now PayPal controller. In that we are going to create one function. Okay, we are going to create one function in the PayPal controller. Okay, that is the simple function in which we are going to fetch the order details and will send in that PayPal blade file that we are going to create. Okay, so here we are going to create public function PayPal. And here see, I'm going to open that thanks function. In thanks function we are already having this. I'm going to copy this one and we'll paste it here as well. Okay, but card we are not going to empty here. Okay, so and front here I'm going to add here the PayPal folder we are going to create, and in that we are going to create the PayPal blade file as well. And also we are going to fetch here the order details. Okay, like we are fetching here the order details, so we are going to fetch the order details as well along with the user. Here we will have the order ID in session. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one and we're going to add here the session get order ID like this. First to array, then and yeah, fine. So this one is seems to be fine. Okay, so now this is the PayPal function, and now we are going to create the PayPal blade file, and I'm going to create the folder as well, PayPal folder inside our project 10. Where it is, project 10. Okay, I'm going inside resources, views, front. I'm going to create the new folder PayPal. So what I'm going to pick the one file. I'm going to pick one thanks blade file. I'm going to create we rename it with the PayPal because most of these things are similar. There are few things I'm going to change in this file. I'm going to drag and will open here. Okay, so here I will just add payment home payment. Okay, or you can add the PayPal here, whatever you want to add. See, link will not go. I'm not going to give any link here. Okay, so let's come down, and here we are going to write something like your order has been placed. Now you are required to make the payment, like some kind of wording we are going to add here. Okay, so here uh, I think we must write here your order has been placed successfully. Oh, no, I don't think that this one is right. We will write here, please make payment. Such kind of wording I think is better. Or we can keep it like this, and after that we can add one line here, or I will add one more. Yeah. Okay, so in this we can write, please make uh, please make payment after clicking below. Okay, please make payment. Uh, okay, we can write like this. We will remove this one successfully. Please make payment to confirm your order, or so that we can process your order. Anything you can write. Okay. So I want to add one form here. Okay, one form I'm going to add here, and that for that I will again one p tag I'm going to add, and one PayPal form I'm going to add, and this one I'm going to remove. We will not add the continue shopping here. And here what I'm going to add here, add form like this, and its action, I'm going to add action here, route, uh, here I'm going to add the payment route. See, I'm going to create this route later on. Okay, but right now I have added here with method post. See, this is the name of the route. Okay, like we have done the name routes in the earlier series, also we have done okay, so this is the name route. We have given the name of the route. Okay, that we are going to add its route later on though. And at the rate of CSRF, so inside this we are going to add the amount. Input type test, I'm going to take as hidden, name amount, and its value. See, value of the amount. See, we are getting the value in INR, but we will convert it to dollar, because the PayPal accepts the dollar. Okay, dollar is the worldwide global payment. Okay, so we will convert it to dollar. So you are required to have the international debit or credit card. For that, see, your users, if having the international debit or credit card, then they can able to make payment with PayPal. Okay, so amount I'm going to add here, this one. Okay, so I'm going to pick this one and add here, but I'm going to convert it to uh, dollar. So like dollar amount, I'm going to divide it with Indian, see, USD to INR, in because I have taken the amount in INR. If you have taken the amount in USD, then you are not required any kind of conversion. Okay, but here I require to convert to from INR to USD. Here you can see it's around 83. Okay, so I have added here 83. We are going to divide it by the 83. Okay, and we will also round it. Okay, round it up till 2 decimal. Okay, like this. So this is the hidden amount, and also now we are going to add one button here, pay now button. We are going to add, I'm going to check here for pay now PayPal button. Okay, we are going to have this button. See, let's check once that we can able to get this button uh, from online itself, from PayPal maybe, or we can pay now. PayPal image is I think easier to find. Pay now PayPal image. Yeah, get the source code. This one we can also give this one. Okay, yeah. For this, I'm going to check its image. Just the image is required. I'm going to copy its image only. So here what I'm going to do, input type image source like this. It's already there, source is already there, we can add it like this. Okay, and instead of name we are going to give the alt tag pay now. Okay, so we are going to check once that how it looks, but uh, yeah, check once, we are going to check once up till here. I'm going to refresh, and I'm going to click on PayPal, this one, click on place order. Let's see. Okay, few of the things we are required to add here. Use session. Also we are going to add use that model we are going to add here, uh, model order, and other yeah, now we are going to check once. Okay, so route is not defined. We are going to create this route in web.php file. Okay, we are going to name this route as well. Okay, so here we are going to add one route as well. Route post route we are going to add here pay, and here also PayPal controller, add the rate of pay, and here we are going to add here, we're going to give the name payment. Okay, so let's see, let's check once. Fine, your order has been placed, your order ID is 12 and grand total is the, please make payment to confirm your order. Okay, so user can click on here, or I think we are required some other image where it's something like pay now, buy, sell, request payment, request payment now. We want to have the pay now, PayPal button image. See here, pay with PayPal. So this one looks fine, pay with PayPal, because we want that it must be written something pay. Okay, so we can also get the code for this one, and here see this one is the image. I'm going to copy this one and will paste there as well. Okay, and here in PayPal blade file I'm going to replace it with this image. Okay, so I'm going to refresh here, pay with PayPal. Okay, we are going to click on this one. Now it is fine, pay with PayPal. So now uh, what we are going to do, we will require to create one payments method, payments table as well, along with the controller file. Okay, and also we are going to install the OmniPay package. But before that, we also required to create the PayPal sandbox account. Okay, so sandbox account we will create in the next video, but right now we are going to create one payment model as well as the its table. Okay, so we are going to do that. PHP artisan uh, make model. Here we are going to have the payment model as well as its table will get created by this command, model as well as the table. Okay, so the migration file will get created, create payment table. So we are going to add the required columns because we want to save as well. Okay, uh, so all the required details we want to save as well, because in case we want to see what happened with what transaction, so we must have complete records of that. Okay, so here payment id, then pair id, then pair email who is paying, pair email, and after that we are going to add other as well. After that we are going to take the float for the amount we are going to say in like 10 to. Okay, so after that string we are going to take here the currency and then the payment status. Okay, so these are the fields we are required to add: payment id, pair email, amount, currency, payment status. Okay, so we are going to run that php artisan migrate command so that this table gets created. Okay, so it has been created. Now we are going to install OmniPay package as well. Composer require uh, let's give league, it's the league OmniPay. See, you can check any video description as well. All the instructions are provided there as well. Okay, OmniPay slash PayPal. So this is the package we are going to install. Okay, so you can see it start installing. Okay, so this is the PayPal package for the Laravel that we must install. Secured package that we will install, so it will make our task easier as well. Okay, so the package has been installed now. We able to create all the files as well, and in the next video we will continue this PayPal integration and we are going to download the PayPal controller as well. Okay, and after downloading our steps will get more easier, we will get the code as well. Okay, and also we are going to create the business PayPal account that we are going to use to test the PayPal payments. Okay, first we are going to test with the sandbox account, PayPal sandbox account, that is the test account, test PayPal account to test the payments. After that we will make it live as well. Okay, we will use the live PayPal account as well so that we can integrate it in any Laravel website or any other website as well. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.